Hey, it's Alice Siva, and on behalf of Yusuf Kulan and myself, I wanted to take you on a little tour of our Printable Worksheets Vault and Publishing Startup Kit. What we have for you is 200 done-for-you worksheets that you can publish with your name and your branding, sell them, give them away. But we've also included the monetization and publishing training so you know exactly what to do with them. These 200 ready-to-publish worksheets are in 5 life skills categories on topics that can be applied to almost any niche, all in the categories of personal development, health and well-being, financial management, relationships, and spirituality and mindfulness. There's 40 personal development worksheets on a variety of topics. And you'll see these are very good for also adapting to a variety of niches. So if you teach certain skills or target certain people, you can modify and adapt these to those audiences. There's building resilience, daily affirmation writing, organizing your day, daily energy management, turning ideas into action, practicing patience daily, and tons more. And then you get the 40 health and well-being worksheets, improving your posture. Us people at the computers need to learn how to do that. Mindful breathing for relaxation, skin health and hydration, managing emotional eating, reducing processed food intake, and a variety of topics. 40 financial management worksheets, and topics include first-time homebuyer steps, refinancing loans, saving for a major purchase, investing in low-risk options, organizing a family financial meeting, 40 relationship worksheets about setting healthy boundaries, building resilience together, creating shared financial goals, supporting a partner's goals, learning from past relationship patterns, and tons more. There's also 40 spirituality and mindfulness worksheets. Topics include setting boundaries for spiritual growth, practicing walking meditation, finding stillness in busy moments, mindful digital detox, practicing non-judgment, very important for all walks of life and all kinds of people. And of course, there is the publishing kit training. So when you log in, you'll have the training on creating worksheets, including using our done-for-you ones. You've got 200 to start, but if you want to create your own, we show you exactly how to do it with foolproof AI prompts. We also show you how to create worksheets from scratch. We'll give you a little template if you want to completely write them on your own. Then we also talk about publishing and promotion, like customizing the worksheets for specific niches and how you can adapt them so that they'll be more meaningful to your audience. How to use worksheets to grow your email list. How to use worksheets in training and courses and selling worksheets as standalone products. How to promote your worksheets effectively. And repurposing worksheets for maximum reach. A real big secret to content marketing, online marketing, is to repurpose what you have, because this is the kind of content you'll be able to use over and over again, whether you're trying to make a free lead magnet, create a course, offer some extra value to an existing program. Tons of options for you. And of course, all your purchases do come with access to our 24/7 eKitHub University community, where you can ask for help, connect with other like-minded entrepreneurs. Perhaps they will be your partners in projects or promotion partners. But we're here to help you every step of the way. So not only do you get the done-for-you content, you get the training, but you also get the support you need to really put this content to work for you. We do hope you'll join us, and make sure to take advantage of the special offer while it's still available.